Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, my hair is crusty, like crusty. So today I'm going to show you how I revive my hair by doing a same day twist out. Cause you know sometimes you ain't got time to be waiting forever for your twist out to dry cause you got somewhere to be. So I got you, sis. I will be using Creme of Nature's twisting cream to twist my hair, and this is why it takes me forever to do my hair because I play too much. But anyways, I've been feeling the middle part for my twist outs, so that's what we're doing today. And I separated my hair into 3 sections. So I got the back, the middle, and then the very front. I'm starting off with the back, and these twists will be medium sized. And keep in mind that whenever you are doing your hair on stretched hair, you want to use butter-based products, because if you're using a water-based product, it's going to revert your hair. And so that's why I like using the Creme of Nature's twisting cream, because even though I'm not using water, it's still giving me moisture. I'm just reviving my hair from an old twist out by using the same product, because if you're mixing products and you haven't washed your hair, you just asking for some flakiness and itchy scalp, and ain't nobody got time for that. So use the same product if you're like reviving your hair. And so for the same day twist out, I'm not trying to have my hair drying for hours, so I'm not applying that much product. I am kind of applying a lot to the ends because that's where I get the most dryness. So if you're want to do a same day twist out, just don't apply that much product. A little goes a long way when you're using butter-based products anyways. And I'm basically just separating my hair, applying the product, and then using my Denman brush to detangle and then twist it up. And I will be doing that same process throughout my whole head. So I'm going to quit talking now, and we're going to listen to some music, and then we'll come back and talk about the results. Alright, so my twists are done and I left them in for about 3 hours, I think. Didn't apply any heat or anything. I just kind of went about my day. And then this is how they look dry, and I'm going to be using my glossing polish that I purchased from Sally Beauty Supply to take my twist down. I had to run and get some clips to clip my twist away because I was trying to untwist my hair and the other twists were just getting in the way. It was getting all tangled, so just make sure you keep your twist you're not working on out the way. Y'all see that definition just now though? Like, I only left them in for like 3 hours and I got that definition. Like, when I tell y'all that twisting cream is like the GOAT. It's the GOAT. Alright, I've unraveled all the twists and now I'm just going to go through and separate a little more to give it some more shape and volume. And these are my final results. I really got this look in 3 hours. Like, y'all see my hair was looking all crusty, but I got right in 3 hours. So yeah, that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see y'all in my next video.